Welcome to Bodybuilding India. Today we're training triceps, the muscle that makes up almost 70% of your arm size. Strong triceps mean bigger arms, better strength, and improved pressing power. In this workout, we'll be performing 3 effective exercises to build size and definition. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Tricep Pushdown. Stand upright and keep your elbows locked at your sides throughout the movement. Push the bar or rope downward and fully contract the triceps at the bottom. Control the weight on the way up. Avoid using momentum. Focus on squeezing the muscle with every rep. This exercise targets the lateral head, helping create a sharper and more defined arm shape. 2. Skull crushers. Lie flat on a bench and lower the bar slowly toward your forehead. Keep your elbows stable and pointed upward. Extend the arms by contracting the triceps, not the shoulders. Use a controlled tempo and feel the muscle working through the full range of motion. This movement emphasizes the long head of the triceps, which is key for building thickness and mass. 3. Overhead dumbbell extension. Hold a dumbbell overhead and lower it behind your head until you feel a deep stretch. Keep your core tight and elbows close together. Extend the arms upward and squeeze the triceps at the top. This exercise provides a full stretch and strong contraction of the long head, making it ideal to finish your workout. These 3 exercises together form a complete triceps workout for size, strength, and definition. Stay consistent, focus on proper form, and push yourself every session. Subscribe to Bodybuilding India for more training content and workout routines. Train hard, stay focused, and keep growing.